everyone, welcome back to the vlog, and today I will be propagating this beautiful succulents that I purchased online. On my previous video, if you guys watch my plant haul, so these are the succulents that I purchased. So this one is Echeveria hera. So I'm gonna pull off some dry leaves, and later on I'm gonna pull off those unnecessary stuff. And this one is the blue surprise, so it's really beautiful, like white grayish icy kind of hue. So I want to propagate it just because I want to grow more of them, so maybe in future I can sell and collect more. And then this one is the neon breaker, so it's really dry. So all of this I'm gonna repot later on, and then I will show you guys the petals that I plucked off, and then we will be drying them off for a couple of days. And this one is the broken Lola. Yes, I was really devastated with this one, but I guess it's doing fine because the roots are still healthy, and so far the only thing they have is the 3 leaves right there, so I hope it will survive. So now I'm gonna pile off those petals that I plucked off earlier, and I used this tray. This is an old baking tray, so I want to make use of this. And I also pull up some of this Echeveria polydonis because I want to propagate more. I want to have a big collections of Echeverias, maybe a year or 2 from now. So here I'm gonna file all of them, and I'll just leave them under the shady area like for a couple of days, maybe 3 or 5 days, something like that. So here I have some soil mix with perlite and a quarter of pumice that was thoroughly washed, and I dry it off. I just toss them all together until they're even. I thought of doing two types or two ways of propagation, which is the soil mix propagation and the water propagation, like on the bottle. So I just spoke to bottle. I DIY just because I don't have the driller. So this is what I did from the candle and all that. And then some of them I'm gonna file here. So I'm hoping like 2 or 3 weeks from now, this is all rooting. They're all rooting. Maybe this one is gonna root first, or maybe the water propagation will be rooting first. So I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but we will see, and I will update you guys on how is it going. So I'm excited. So again, I think this will take like 3 to 4 weeks if I'm not mistaken. So I saw a lot of videos like succulents and cactus video vlogs, and I saw how they propagate their succulents, and some of them are success and some of them failed. But yeah, this is the plant world, this is nature, so nothing is perfect, so we don't expect perfection. So let's say you have 100 petals that you want to propagate, so some of them will make it, some just won't. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I do. Again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, like, share, and subscribe, and feel free to comment down below because I want to hear from you guys about your gardening journey and all. So again, this has been me, Zamud Sari. I will keep you guys updated about this thing, and I will see you all on my next video. Happy gardening! Have an awesome day, everyone. Bye!